I always recommend that you only use a pea-sized amount and then more if you need to, because I don't want you to waste. A lot of people have been overusing it. So pea-sized amount, and then during the day, you can use this as your new hydration serum or makeup primer to help flood it with a lot of hydration to help plump the skin, soothe the skin more tolerant to other things, especially actives if you're using like retin A or benzoyl peroxide or a lot of acne products or just a lot of anti-aging treatments that you're doing and you want to heal and strengthen and soothe your skin and give it a lot of nourishment. You can just use this every single day to do that. My skin, girl, it's so yummy. Just that little amount. Ready? Just that was enough. And then if you want to apply more to like the eye area as like a little eye serum, you can like this. You can leave it on the skin and then massage it in. You do not need to rinse it off. An amazing product that helps irritation, retin A sensitivity, of dehydration that occurs in the skin from also just aging and UV damage. Cannot wait for you to experience the quality of this mask and the benefits it's going to provide you.